our new Greensburg location. I'm in the car, and today is an exciting day because it's flower wall day. So in one of my previous videos, I showed you guys around our current storefront at Irwin, where we have this big flower wall that took me and my boyfriend Jake 13 hours to make, and it was crazy. And because I'm crazy, I decided to quadruple the size of it. This is my dad.
Hello.
This is Jeff. He helps run the store and everything, so we're kind of in this together today. Jake's at work, so today it's your job.
Hello.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Are you nervous?
Yes. Building a flower wall? Absolutely.
Let's see how it goes. What we have are just some green boxwood panels that I got actually from Walmart. I ordered them online. You get a bunch of these guys. They have little hooks on the sides, and you can attach them together to just make a big wall. Then we're gonna hammer it on the wall. But then I found this really pretty wall on Pinterest actually, which is a great place to go if you need ideas and inspiration. And it has a bunch of really pretty white flowers hanging from the top. Our wall is going to be about 9 feet high. I'm going to do what I can on a ladder to hang a bunch of flowers. Probably will need more. We'll see what happens.
So Dad's giving a good demonstration. He's cutting the wire. They just have these little holes. We're going to wire them together, make a big panel, and then it'll go up on the wall. To show you guys up close, I took these little holes that are on the panels, took some floral wire, twisted it really tight on each one, and now these guys are connected.
So, note to self, we've been using floral wire and ruining our fingertips wiring these things together. If you get the boxwood from Walmart, look in the bottom of the box first, because they come with zip ties. Hey guys, so things are really coming together here at Greensburg. We are set to open in about a week and 2 days, so fingers crossed. But look at this flower wall. So Josh was able to put all these panels up, and they're just so cool. They're seamless. And so these are just those panels that we got from Walmart, like I said. He just kind of zip tied them together, hammered them to the walls to make sure that they don't fly away. And they had to cut some pieces too to make it fit. But that is how it looks as of right now, which is really, really cool. So now Bria and I are going to take all of these flowers here and kind of put them up in an archway, almost from this corner the whole way around the top to there, and then eventually we're gonna have a big white elephant logo there. So let's get started. Alright, here is our flower wall update. We're almost finished. We're adding some last minute touches. Got a couple more rows to go on the bottom with the long hangy flowers that I don't know their names. We'll get up a little bit closer. Let's try to climb a ladder with this. All right, so what we did is we put a bunch of rows up top of the roses. We have smaller petals and just vines, and then we had some big ones too. And then we got a bunch of garlands of these long flowers, and we just layered them up. They came a little bit spaced out. Yeah, they come that spaced out. And so we just hung a bajillion of them. This is Bria's favorite job. But for reference, I showed you guys like a few weeks ago, we put this up. And I don't know how long that took the guys. Probably not too long, maybe like half a day. They're putting these roses up yesterday. We got like halfway through. Then this morning we put the rest of them up, and we did all of these hanging plants, and we've been at it since like 10 a.m. and it's going on like 4:45. And we're not like completely done yet because I'm OCD. I'm very particular. And so we just have a few last bits to put in there and then we should be good. And now it's finished. Say hi, Barb. The flower wall is done. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. I love it so much. I'll give you guys a better look. So this is the final product minus the white elephant logo. So we're just still waiting on our big plexiglass logo sign, and I'm gonna put it like somewhere right around here, I think, so it gives you enough room to still stand and take a photo. But I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if you like it, if you love it, if you just think it's okay. I hope you think it's better than okay. So I'll show you. We put all of the hanging flowers now. We just framed it a little bit in this corner, which I think looks really nice. Hung it down a little bit to arch it. I think it looks pretty natural. Did the same thing on the other side. And I think, as my grandfather puts it, he says that these flowers here, ooh, oh my goodness. These first flowers here, he said it was like the cake. And now adding this little bit here was like the icing on the cake. I put it all together and tied a pretty bow. Icing sprinkles, to each your own. So yeah, this is our new flower wall. I love it. I hope you guys do too. Really super simple, just takes a little bit of time. Once you do it, it's really professional and it'll look awesome anywhere. You could really use a wall like this, indoors, outdoors, whatever you want to do. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know. We'll see you soon.